must ask Hema to come and say a few words and grace this occasion. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I'm asking Farooq Saab after you. You are the lady. Ladies first. Please, say 2 words. I mean, this is like a family here. There's no. And I thank my children for all their sentiments expressed, my wife. I love you all. Family means most to me. Love you, love you. Come. Hema. நான் இங்க இருக்கிறேன்.
Yeah, sir.
என்ன சொல்லு.
என்ன வேணா
How do you like that? We speak in Tamil sometimes.
Tamil, yes.
Speak in Tamil.
Yeah. Good evening, friends. I'm extremely happy and honored to be here for the book launch of Sanjay Khanji's The Best Mistakes of My Life. I was just wondering, what is that mistakes? the whole, it is interesting to know the title is very interesting. Of course, you make so many mistakes, and if you learn, then you become the achiever. That's what I feel.
Very well said.
So, Sanjay Khanji is the most handsome, dynamic, highly talented actor, producer, director, and above all, a wonderful human being who produced beautiful films at that time, and that was his great contribution for the film industry. So, and I also had a great opportunity to work with him in one of the movie in which we interacted in Tamil. So the producer used to wonder, what are we talking, something about the producer we are talking. That's exactly we were doing. So it was a very beautiful moment. I always remember that. After that, I don't know, we did not get the opportunity to work in many more films. But I have always admired you. You have been a wonderful person, human being. And the whole credit goes to Zareen Khanji.
I agree.
And the entire beautiful family together. So which I'm able to see today, all of you. So I feel really extremely happy. And this book, what you have written, is definitely going to be an inspiration for all the youngsters who are coming into films, to know how difficult it was at that time to produce and direct movies and also act in so many several films, what you have done.
Your appreciation.
And he's a creative man. The creative person will always keep on thinking what to create next. So even though he is not at the moment making any films or any such thing, but he has created something very wonderful which he shared with me. He is going to create something in Uttar Pradesh, the land of spiritual cities, celebrating
5,000 years of
5,000 of Indian history. So he is going to come out with that project, which is a great project, which is going to be something, I don't know how to express it. If it comes through,
extraordinary infotainment.
yeah. So I'm sure I will be a kind of part of it and would like to help in this project to come out. And I wish you good luck. And I pray to God to bless you with a lot of good health, happiness, and everything. Thank you so much.
Sahib. Now.
Please subscribe to Viral Bollywood.
Please like, share and subscribe to Viral Bollywood.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए
Please subscribe.